you're the type of person who likes to see a bullet list of things that you need to accomplish this week, then the task list in ACT is perfect for you. In this video, I want to show you how to use the task list by filtering it to show you the task that you need to see, and then we're going to look at printing and exporting this list for use outside of ACT. To open the task list, log into ACT, and then click the Calendar and Task List button in the left navigation. Then from here, make sure you click Task List at the top. By default, this will show you every meeting, phone call, and to-do reminder that remains uncleared on your list. This list can get quite lengthy if you don't have a pattern of clearing activities as they pass. There are several filters that you can apply to this list to hide any unwanted tasks for now. Maybe you only want to show tasks that are scheduled in the future. Use the Dates drop-down to select that option and then automatically apply this filter. Or maybe you're only interested in your call activities, but not so much in your meetings, to-dos, and other types of activities. From the Types drop-down, choose None, and then check the Call box. When you click outside that drop-down, ACT will refresh this view to show you only your call activities. If you want, you can also filter by priorities. Using the Priorities drop-down list, maybe I only want to see all of my medium, medium-high, and high priority items. Again, ACT will refresh this list to show you only those priority items that meet your filter selection. And finally, there are other filters you can use here. One of the most useful ones will let you select other users at your company who have access to ACT. By default, I'm showing all of the users in my system, but maybe I only want to see my own activities, and by holding down the Control button on my keyboard, I can select a few other employees at my company. When I click Save, ACT will refresh this list and update it to show me those specific activity organizers. If you'd like to see items that were previously cleared from this list, you can check the box that says Show Cleared, and those will show up as well. Lists like these are also sortable by clicking any of the column headers at the top. You can also reorder the columns by clicking them and dragging them to wherever you want them to land. If you'd like to add or remove any of the columns that you see on a list like this, use the Customize Columns button in the header. This will show you the available fields which currently aren't being displayed on the left versus the fields that are being displayed on the right. To add or remove any columns, just select the column and click the single right arrow or left arrow to move that column into view. If you have more columns than your screen can display, then there will be a scroll option at the bottom of your screen where you can move items into view. If you'd like to print this list, you can use the Print button at the top and then choose your printout type. You can also use the Excel button to export this list to Microsoft Excel. For instance, if you want to share it with someone who is outside of ACT. This will only export what you currently see on the screen. So it's important to customize your columns and set all the filters the way you want before you print or export. To clear any of the items from this list, use the checkbox to the left of that activity. This will launch your Clear Activity window where you can then report the results of any of these activities and clear them from your task list. From here, you can switch to the History list to see all of your cleared tasks in their own list. There's really not much to say about the History list that I haven't already said about the task list, but this list is essentially a record of everything that you've ever done in ACT. It includes cleared activities, email communications, marketing campaigns, and even edits to many of your contact, group, company, or opportunity records. You can view the details from any of your history records and even create follow-up activities as needed.